So time to do the absolute last bit, which is glue the cup on. Well, second last bit. I've got a neat little trick for you at the end of this video. Actually, I'll put it on the finishing off video. Is to either put your glue on here, go for either a clear, or if you're using a lot of black ground, you could just do black and who would see it, or you can just squish it along this bit here and then apply it. I'm going to put my glue on around here, or attempt to use that really thick glue. You may need to get a tool like this to tool it in, and just depending on what you want to do with this. If it's going to have water in it, you need an adhesive that is okay in pooled areas. Not water resistant, but waterproof. Well, this glue just is blobbing, so no good for just doing what I just said to do. I'm just testing this particular glue out. So now I'm going to tool it on with one of these little things, and so it's just like painting it around the edge. Because you don't want it to squish too much out the sides. You will have to clean it off. You can see I've used way too much. And the other thing here is it's also cold, so these polymers get really thick when it's cold. They also don't have a long shelf life, so don't get some and have it sit there for way too long. So smooth that all around. Look at that great big glob. I'll just have to send that to meet its maker. So get rid of the excess, because we're going to have glue everywhere. And then position your cup where you want it to be. Press it down. Okay, so we're all nicely glued on there. Now we can come off with the end of our little trowel and just tool off the excess that's squishing out the bottom. If you want to at this stage, oh gosh, it's thick and buggy. And aren't we glad we didn't grab this first? You can use one of these lovely little baby wipes to wipe it off your cup. And of course, if you've got it on your hands. I can't even see that bit there, but I'm going to just gently stick my finger up there. And of course, the way to test if it's waterproof or is going to hold your water is to, once it's cured, fill it up with water and see where the leaks are and plug them up before you put your cuttings in. Okay, I got a bit zealous when I was cleaning and just put a little chip on that little bit of petal there, but no problem, because I'm just going to stick some glue on here and put a little bug, a ladybug, which is the sign of a healthy garden, on it. Problem solved.